Hi. So this question is just asking you what is the advantage of using scientific notation versus decimal notation? So first, let's go over what scientific notation is. Scientific notation is basically just when you simplify a value into this form. So you kind of have your digits here. So let me give you an example. Like 1.0 times 10 to the ninth, right? Is in scientific notation. It's whenever you kind of have this 10 to the nth power here to describe a particular number. Now, if I were to actually write this out, right, in decimal form, it'd be 1,000,000,000,000, right? Nine zeros. And as you can see, it's much easier to write out this number in scientific notation when you kind of have just um, one decimal point to kind of just and then multiply it by 10 to the whatever power to describe it, as opposed to writing out all the zeros and all the stuff. So that is a big reason why scientific notation is easier. It's just that it's much more simple and much easier to write out. I don't have to write out all the zeros, and it just takes less space. So in general, scientific notation is what mathematicians and chemists, pretty much all people in all levels of science will use scientific notation instead of just regular decimal notation because it's just easier and more simple. So I hope this was helpful and allowed you to understand why we use scientific notation instead of um, decimal notation. Thanks for listening.